Welcome. Here you'll learn how to fight and win on Wild Rift. Use gold to purchase items. Jungle champions typically start by fighting monsters in the jungle, then ambush ally lanes later in the game. Follow the arrows and attack the blue sentinel.
Did you miss?
Well done. You've defeated the blue sentinel and gained the Crest of Insight buff.
Doubt is
There are many monsters on the rift, some of which give buffs when slain. Vision is very important on the rift. Let's learn how to place wards. Place a ward in the brush. Nice job. That ward found an enemy champion lying in ambush. Defeat the enemy.
form before strength.
Your ally in the top lane is fighting an enemy champion. Quickly, go surround them. Junglers earn gold from slaying monsters and from it defeat the enemy. Next, work together to destroy the enemy turret. Minions have spawned.
Defend yourself. A true master is an eternal student.
Minions provide gold and experience. Dealing the killing blow earns extra gold. Enemy slain.
Defend yourself.
You are on a killing spree.
Anger gives motivation without purpose. This will be a hard lesson.
Enemy slain. Enemy slain. First turret destroyed.
Is the greatest enemy. Never await victory.
Rampage.
Form before strength. One cut of many.
Killing spree.
Anger gives motivation without purpose.
Your ward detected an enemy champion near Baron Nashor. Now's a good time to strike. Killing spree. Double kill. Enemy slain. You defeated Baron Nashor and earned the Hand of Baron buff.
Defend yourself. Do not let your pride blind you.
Destroy the inhibitor turret to unleash more. The enemy nexus is exposed. Destroy it to achieve victory. Unstoppable. Enemy slain.
Is an eternal
Ally slain. Shut down. Enemy double kill. Executed. Ally slain. Shut down. Victory!